Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Facebook app video lag. To fix the issue, first go to settings, scroll down, go to apps. Now search the Facebook, open it, scroll down, go to storage and then click on clear cache, back, click on force stop, okay, and then battery, click on that, click on optimized, back, and update your Facebook app, and finally restart your phone. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.